I was talking about the experience in the Pacific Northwest with using ductless mini splits, both in high performance new construction and retrofitting in existing electrically heated homes in both the marine and cold climates in the Northwest. Mini split heat pumps have been used in the rest of the world, Asia and Europe, for 25 or 30 years. The technology has evolved in the last few years to include variable refrigerant drives, or variable refrigerant flow systems with variable drive motors. And the efficiency of these systems outperforms any other heat pumps that are available on the market. You take these systems and you, in a retrofit environment, put a single head mini split heat pump into the main living area of an electrically resistance heated home, and you can displace 60 to 70% of the electric resistance heating load and save as much as 4,000 or 5,000 kilowatt hours a year in electricity. So with an installation cost in the $3,000 to $4,000 range for a single head system, the payback to the consumer is probably in the 5 to 7 year range. A lot of the electric utilities in the Northwest are offering incentives of up to $1,500 right now for these systems, so it brings the payback down to the 3 to 5 year range. So it's a real good deal for consumers. And we've installed roughly 15,000 of these in the Pacific Northwest in the last 4 years, and probably more in the Northwest than in any other part of the country. So we've been doing some research to validate their performance in the real world. We've done some testing on the systems in the laboratory, and all of it confirms that the technology lives up, for the most part, to the specifications that the manufacturers have provided, and people are very happy with the systems. It's not something that most people are used to. Instead of having a central forced air system that blows air around the house, you've got you move your refrigerant around the house and have wall-mounted supply heads that take the air from the room across the heat exchanger coil and blow it back into the room. So it's more like a zonal heat system. But it has significant advantages over typical split system heat pumps. You have higher delivery temperatures, higher...
It wasn't me, but it might have been our store,
higher,
so I don't want to say we're supposed to be paying attention over there.
Excuse me. But you get higher delivery temperatures, higher efficiencies, and overall lower costs. I primarily am involved in looking at how to make homes perform better from an energy standpoint and provide better indoor air quality. So it's the application of building science, how buildings and homes specifically work in order to give people more comfortable, healthier, and more affordable housing. It's fun, and I think it's a worthwhile endeavor.